So this is our vanity collection. We've got a huge range of different timber finishes, but now we've also got all the wall hung vanities as well.
I would opt for a wall hung. I think there's something nice about being able to sweep under your vanity and kind of also that feeling of lightness.
Yeah, and the great thing about these wall hungs is they have drawers underneath, and a lot of them have hidden drawers, so there's plenty of storage.
So you've got drawers upon drawers upon drawers.
Yeah.
Fiona, would it be fair to say that your customers here can kind of choose between various options?
Yeah, so they have a variety of different timber finishes to go with, but then you also have the option of what sink you'll have on top.
Perfect. So they can choose their timber colour, their sink material, their sink colour,
their tapware.
And the list goes on.
Yeah.